There's been a new twist to the Modi affidavit controversy. Hours after Sanjeev Bhatt's driver confirmed that the top cop was present during Gujarat Chief Minister's meet post the Godhra riots, the then DGP of Gujarat, K. Chakravarti, has refuted the claim. Chakravarti has in fact said that Bhatt, who was the then Deputy Commissioner of the Intelligence Bureau in Gujarat, was not present during Modi's briefing. He also said that he has already deposed before the SIT in this regard.
Had already deposed before the Special Investigation Team and Nanavati Commission that about the whole matter. And regarding Mr. Bhatt's presence, he was not present in the meeting hall, inside the meeting, which I have already deposed before the Special Investigation Team. And they will make their finding before the Supreme Court. So now it is for the Apex Court to decide the matter.
डीजी साहब की गाड़ी थी, ये नहीं मालूम डीजी कौन थे, क्योंकि गाड़ी के अंदर हम गाड़ी से पीछे थे और ड्राइविंग करते हैं जैसे.
Now, Gujarat top cop Sanjeev Bhatt filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court naming Narendra Modi in his affidavit, saying Modi was directing all police activities during Godhra riots and also slamming the Special Investigation Team's probe.
The reasons for filing the affidavit are mentioned in the affidavit itself. So there is nothing further I can disclose at this stage.
Right. But you know, you mentioned two things in it. One, the events of the meeting of February 27, 2002. Second, the raison d'etre, so to say, of the affidavit that you don't trust the SIT. What makes you say that truth might not come out?
I interacted with the SIT on several occasions, starting from 2009. So during my interactions, I perceived a few things, which I brought to the notice of the chairman of the SIT. And now I'm bringing them to the notice of the Supreme Court as well. So those reasons I can't discuss with you in this forum, but they are before the Supreme Court. So let the Honorable Supreme Court examine them and decide.
Right. And what would be the next step now? Is it like if it comes to the Supreme Court, you would go and depose as well?
I've already deposed before the SIT on several occasions. I've already filed an affidavit, and that is, I've stated things on the Honorable Supreme Court. And as and when the Honorable Court wants assistance in any capacity, I will depose. I am duty bound to say the truth.
Just one thing which is not part of the affidavit, so to say, as in the Chief Minister, when he deposed before the SIT, specified that Mr. Sanjeev Bhatt was not present in the meeting. How would you come?
You'll have to ask the CM as to why he had to say that.